in airplane mode, I don't need no drama.
Hello, y'all. So I said I'm coming back with this nail tutorial because, y'all, my press-ons last me 30 days doing this routine. And they hard to come off once you do this routine, but if you like them to stick, then this is what you need to do. So I started off with my nails being wet, y'all, and I pushed my cuticles back. You're going to see me go in with a cuticle nipper. It's going to be so important to clean up your cuticles to give yourself a neat foundation. And then you saw me just file my nails just to get them pretty even, no raggedy edges. I also then took that file and I went back and buffed my natural nail just a little bit. And the alcohol is going to be your dehydrator step. If you have the dehydrator, brush it on. That dries the nail out. If not, some rubbing alcohol would be fine. I also like to take and match up my nail per size and then just go ahead and lay them out. So then all I have to do is start gluing. So if I have to go in and round out the bottom, you want to file that little edge off of the top, then I will go ahead and do all that now. Some people do it before, after they got their nail on. I find it's easy to do it before. So this is just me taking that free edge and buffing that little tab tip off. And I actually go in the inside of the actual press-on nail and I buff up and rough up the inside of the press-on nail as well to give a little more grip. You see what I mean with that tab to the top? Yeah, go ahead and round that off. And this is what I mean. Now, if I had an electric drill, this would be easier. And I do have one. I ain't break it out in a while, but I guess I could have did the electric. But either way, everybody got access to an emery board, which would be easier. And it's just so easy just to go in and buff it down just a little bit. Now, this is going to be the secret. This is the bee's knees. This is the Beauty Secrets glue. Now, Beauty Secrets glue via TikTok shop is always sold out. But I always tell people, Sally's carry this glue. With your Bart Box gel nail system, the gel builder glue that came in there, I'm not a fan of it. I find that the regular glue like this works better than the gel builder glue. Now, when you see me pushing down, it's going to be important to push down to where you see no air bubbles. You don't have to like push it heavy, just lightly. You see how I can still see? You want to go ahead and push that down. Now, Bart Box, what I like is it comes in two finishes. You can get the pink finish for more pink and white. But on your melanated girls, this one right here just blends into us better, which makes it look like a natural, nice French set. So I go in and I glue on the nail, and I also put a little bit of glue on my regular nail, y'all. And I'm telling y'all, 30 days, I haven't found a method to take them off. I did the soak off method with dish soap and water just to loosen it up, and that barely worked. I had to pry them off, and I kind of hurt my natural nail. That's why my natural nails were out and getting air for about 2 weeks before I did this set right here. Now, in your box, it's important. Your step 1, this is going to be your gel builder polish. You all, a thin layer of dew. Do not overdo this layer and get it clumpy. And you're going to also see me cap the tip of my nail. That way your French doesn't start chipping. Now, on my last set, my French started chipping, but that's because I didn't cap the builder glue all the way around. When I say cap, I'm going to get all the edges, all the free edges. I'm even going to get up under the nail backwards just to make sure I cap off everything. And then once you take this out with your gel builder per step, then you're going to go in with the step 2, which is going to give you like that glassy, glossy finish. That's going to harden everything up. Step 2 does that. So if you went light on step 1, step 2, do the same thing. Don't go light. Again, I'm going to repeat this on step 1. Just a little bit of builder gel to the brush because it will get thick and it will get clumpy. I learned that from trial and error. This is not my first nor second set with this Bart Box system. This is probably like the 4th time I did my nail. And every time I do it, I learn something different. See, this is what I mean by capping off those free edges. Every place you cap off is going to get that shiny, glossy-like finish. And I actually Amazoned the UV lamp versus the individual finger lamp like this one. It comes with this one. You could do it, but just for a faster process, if you have the regular the regular gel lamp where you can put your whole hand under there, that'll be a little more time consuming. Now, I did went ahead and order one off of Amazon that was only $23 because, again, I'm invested in this because, again, I get 30 days. And why I stopped getting my nails done, well, I had a little issue with my nail tech, but either way, no love lost. This is what I'm looking like 30 days in. I'm going to try to get them off before 30 days because they'll start growing out like you need a filling. But for an inexpensive, divified, glammed up nail job that you did at home yourself and you get 30 days, you can't beat it. Bye, y'all.